Hello, I'm Veni from Gossipfunda. Welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to let you know how to deal with not installed error. Now let's get into the video. First thing you have to do is enable the option unknown source installation. The another one is you have to check your phone has enough storage to install those apps, and also your phone storage must be less than 90% is needed for installation. And you had to do one simple settings, that is long press on Play Store and you got app info and try to click on that force stop icon. So it will delete all your data, means not about your phone data, it's on your Play Store data. This option is also helps you in all the time. And the next setting is clear the data of Play Store. It will clear all the data and it will also help sometimes to install the app. And if you want more technical and gaming related information, please visit our site gossipfunda.com. It provides a plenty of information about technical and gaming related information. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and do like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to comment below. Thank you.